Okay, we're gonna go over month 2 of my YouTube channel. I do want to touch on one thing from month 1 that I did actually forget, and that is that I was putting out other content. So in month 1, I did, I believe, 15 YouTube shorts. Every single day of the month, I did a Pinterest pin and a tweet. So that was 30 and 30. And then I also put out Instagram Reels, Instagram just like photos, Facebook Reels, and Facebook photos. May, I did similar things. I did 15 shorts. I did, because May has 31 days, 31 tweets, 31 Pinterest pins. So I did 8 Instagram Reels. I did 5 Facebook Reels. I did 8 Instagram photos. And I did 11 Facebook photos. Those numbers, they're anywhere, like I said, from like 8, 5, 11, those kind of numbers. I did those for the previous month of April as well. The Reels are obviously repurposed. I'm taking them from the YouTube Shorts and I was putting them on Facebook and on Instagram. I was trying to make the most of my short form content and try to use it everywhere. And in my head, it wasn't that much more work or that much harder. In my head, it was, oh, filming's the hardest, editing's the hardest. But in reality, uploading to all these different platforms and writing out descriptions and hashtags and this and that and trying to optimize them, it takes more time than you realize. Anywho, that was April, a little bit of May, and now let's go ahead and jump into the actual YouTube analytics because I do want to focus on YouTube here, but I also want to mention the other components of my content creation. Okay, so let's jump in here. I have this set already. Remember, this is May of 2023. And these are all going to be shorts. See here, I only have shorts and I did one every other day and they are on the odd days once again. Only for whatever reason, I did not do one May 31st. I think the reason was I wanted to do 15 because I was like, oh, 15, like pretty numbers. And also I did one on June 1st with it being an odd day. So maybe I didn't want to do 2 right back to back. Okay, so we had 2.4K views. Let me scroll back up. Sorry, I was not at the top there. 2446 on the views, and then watch time 14.1 hours. These shorts hours, they don't contribute to your long form hours. So if you're going for the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, these hours are not counting. These hours count for the shorts monetization, which I'm not striving to achieve by any way, shape, or form. Subscribers is at 4, and I think I did 2, 3, 4, actually gained 4, and they were clearly right there together. Let's jump into a little more detail. So let's go ahead and see more. Okay, so my date is still set correctly. I always like to check that. So views, already mentioned, watch time, subscribers, we got impressions. Click-through rate was 2.6. I'm not mad about that. So these are my videos for April and May. Okay, I am curious on subscribers. We're going to go into subscription. We'll try source here. I said I had 4, but it actually looks like I gained 7 and lost 3. Okay, so we came out with a net of 4 positive. Okay, top content in this period. So based on views, this one about enjoying summer without the pool, kind of like water safety and things like splash tables, got the most views, about a third on the average view duration. None of these videos did amazing. Obviously, none of them broke 1,000 views. And for short, obviously that's kind of a bummer. Let's see if I can find, it's still difficult for me to navigate this. I know how to navigate it, but I don't. Shorts, I'm curious. Okay, this is what I was wanting to find was my average view duration. So I got about 20 seconds on an average view duration. I like to know the percentage. I find that very interesting and very helpful. I got 60 likes, so that was up from last month. Let's see, audience, I have 3 returning viewers. That's up as well. Okay, most people that are watching my stuff are not subscribed based on my low number of subscribers. That makes sense. You can do so much with analytics. It's kind of overwhelming, to be completely honest. Right here, this tab right here, date, it's still the same views, still the same watch hours, still the same average view duration. So a lot of these tabs, they're not that different, but this one is showing you the dates you got the best views. So May 13th looks like it was a great day for me. So let's go down here, May 13th, 417. So then if I wanted to, I could go look and see what video was May 13th. And again, it's that blue one there, enjoy water this summer without the pool. A lot of these tabs, you're almost just verifying the information. They're not really telling you anything new or unique or different. So overall, May was just another busy month of me learning, figuring out YouTube. I think I made fewer mistakes and I was getting it together a little bit. My numbers weren't necessarily exciting or particularly interesting, but again, it's just part of the process and working my way through it. Okay, so like I said, this was month 2. After this, I'm going to have month 3. Check out the playlist. If you can't find the video, look in the description. And month 3 will be June of 2023. That month is going to bring a little bit of change to my channel.